to HeatSign's trusted partner, laser marking machine manufacturer, where cutting-edge technology meets precision measurement. Spanning thousands of square meters, our production facility is designed to ensure efficiency, quality, and scalability. From raw materials to precision-assembled laser marking systems, our expert technicians follow strict quality control measures at every step of production. This ensures our machines meet global standards. Every laser marking machine undergoes rigorous testing before shipment. We simulate real-world applications, ensuring high speed, high precision, deep engraving capability. Worldwide. With our well-managed inventory and global shipping network, we ensure quick delivery times. Standard machines can be shipped within a week, so you get your laser marker when you need it. Our dedicated research and development team is constantly innovating to bring you the latest in laser marking technology. We also provide comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales support, ensuring you have expert guidance every step of the way. Our laser marking machines are trusted across industries, from automotive and aerospace to medical and electronics. No matter your marking needs, we have the perfect solution